If the camera of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus is stuck on black screen, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. Now first of all, just perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now if you have done that and if this did not fix your issue, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on General, and from here just tap on Software Update. Now just check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if this also did not work, then just go back and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from this pop-up menu, just select Reset All Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN and tap on Reset All Settings. Now by resetting all the settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the settings of your iPhone in case if you have enabled a setting which might be causing this issue. But if this also did not work, then you might have a hardware problem with the camera of your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus if it is stuck on black screen. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.